Hello, in front of me I've got Nissan Juke. In this video I'll show you how to use freeze frame function on OBD scanner. In the beginning, make sure that your OBD interface is connected to your car, and next go to Car Scanner app. Next go to freeze frame, and here's the info. When the vehicle echo detects an error, the current state of the sensors is saved to the freeze frame. Thus, freeze frame is a handy tool for finding the causes of errors. Some echoes can store several freeze frames, some only one. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.